Red light therapy and fat loss. Can it help GLP-1 users? You've probably heard the buzz. Red light therapy is being called the next big thing for fat loss and skin tightening. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped wellness trend? If you're on GLP-1 medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, or Mounjaro, you already know that weight loss can come with some surprises. Sure, the pounds are dropping off, but what about stubborn fat areas that won't budge? What about loose skin that doesn't seem to tighten up? That's where red light therapy supposedly steps in. Some say it shrinks fat cells, others claim it boosts collagen and makes skin firmer, but is it legit or just another spot treatment that drains your wallet faster than it trims your waistline? Today, we're breaking down what red light therapy is, how it's supposed to work, and whether it can actually help with fat loss and skin tightening. Plus, we're talking about the differences between spot treatments and at-home devices so that you can figure out if it's worth trying. Let's get into it. What is red light therapy? Red light therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy, LLT, or PBM, is a treatment that uses specific wavelengths of red and near-infrared light to penetrate the skin and stimulate cellular activity. Originally developed for NASA research to help astronauts heal wounds in space, red light therapy has since been used for pain relief, muscle recovery, anti-aging, and now fat loss and skin tightening. The idea behind it is that red and near-infrared light stimulates mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. When cells absorb this light, they produce more ATP, which produces and boosts cellular function. This increased energy allows cells to repair themselves faster, improve circulation, and stimulate collagen and elastin production, which makes it popular treatment for skin rejuvenation. More recently, researchers have explored red light therapy's effect on fat cells. Some studies suggest that exposure to specific wavelengths of red light causes fat cells to release their stored contents, which are then processed and eliminated by the lymphatic system. This has led to claims that red light therapy can help with weight loss, but the actual results vary depending on lifestyle factors, diet, and activity levels. Red light therapy is available in professional medical and spot treatment, as well as at-home devices like LED panels, handheld wands, and full-body beds. While professional treatments tend to be stronger and more effective, at-home devices provide a more affordable and convenient way to use red light therapy consistently. Whether used for fat loss, skin tightening, or muscle recovery, red light therapy has become an increasingly popular tool for those looking to enhance their weight loss journey and improve overall skin health. Can red light therapy help with fat loss? Let's get one thing straight. Red light therapy is not a magic fat burner. You can't just lie under a red light and expect to wake up 10 pounds lighter. However, studies suggest that it may help support fat loss when combined with a healthy lifestyle. The science behind it is still being explored, but here's how it's believed to work. Red light therapy makes fat cells more permeable, meaning it stimulates the release of stored fat. When cells are exposed to specific wavelengths of red or near-infrared light, tiny pores open up in the fat cells' memory, allowing these fatty acids, also known as lipids, to escape. Once released, these fatty acids enter the bloodstream and need to be burned for energy through movement or exercise. If they're not used, they can be reabsorbed by fat cells, meaning the therapy won't do much on its own. It has to be paired with a calorie deficit and physical activity to actually result in fat loss. Some clinical studies have backed up these claims. A 2013 study published in the International Journal of Endocrinology found that people who underwent red light therapy lost more circumference in targeted areas like the abdomen, thighs, and waist compared to those who didn't receive treatment. Another study in lasers and surgery and medicine showed that red light therapy can help reduce overall fat mass. When used consistently, along with structured diet and exercise routine. For GLP-1 users, this is where red light therapy might offer additional benefits. When taking medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, or Mounjaro, weight loss happens primarily due to appetite suppression, meaning there isn't always an increase in activity levels. If red light therapy truly helps stimulate the breakdown of fat, it could potentially make weight loss on GLP-1 medications more effective, especially for those who aren't as physically active. There's also the question of whether red light therapy helps with stubborn fat areas. Some people report losing weight overall, but still holding on to extra fat in the belly, thighs, and arms. Since red light therapy works by targeting specific areas, it can be useful for people who want to fine-tune their results. However, this doesn't mean it melts fat away. It simply makes it easier for your body to release and use stored fat when combined with other weight loss efforts. So basically, red light therapy won't replace a healthy diet or GLP-1 medications, but it may be a helpful tool for those looking to maximize fat loss, reduce inches, and potentially speed up results. If you're already losing weight with GLP-1 meds, red light therapy might just be the one piece of the puzzle to help you reach your goals. Red light therapy and skin tightening. With red light therapy comes down to one of the biggest concerns for GLP-1 users, lose skin. Losing weight is great, but when the pounds start dropping quickly, the skin doesn't always catch up right away. If you've noticed some sagging around your stomach, arms, and neck, you're not alone. This happens because skin loses collagen and elastin as we age. And when weight is lost too fast, the skin doesn't have enough time to adjust. This is where red light therapy actually shines. Unlike fat loss, where the science is still being debated, the skin tightening effects of red light therapy are well studied and backed by research. It works by stimulating fibroblasts, which are the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Collagen keeps your skin firm and youthful, while elastin helps it snap back into shape after stretching. As we get older or lose a large amount of weight, collagen production slows down, leading to loose and sagging skin and wrinkles. Studies have shown that consistent red light therapy treatments can significantly improve skin's elasticity, reduce fine lines, and tighten loose areas. One study published in Photomedicine and Laser Surgery found that after 12 weeks of consistent red light therapy, participants saw noticeable improvements in skin tone, texture, and tightness. Another study in the Journal of Cosmetic and Laser Therapy confirmed that red light therapy boosts collagen levels, making the skin appear firmer, smoother, and more youthful. For GLP-1 users, this is a game changer because these medications can lead to rapid weight loss. Many people struggle with loose skin on their stomach, arms, and face. Red light therapy can help the skin adjust more smoothly by increasing collagen levels while you lose weight, reducing the chances of extreme sagging. It also improves circulation, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the skin, helping it repair and maintain elasticity. Another huge plus, red light therapy helps with wrinkles and stretch marks too. If you've noticed loose skin around your neck or face, regular treatments can help reduce fine lines, crow's feet, and overall sagging. It also helps fade stretch marks by boosting skin cell turnover, making them less noticeable over time. The best part, unlike surgeries or expensive skin tightening procedures, red light therapy is non-invasive, painless, and has no downtime. You can use it at home or get professional treatments without worrying about needles, incisions, or recovery time. While it doesn't work overnight, consistent use over several months can lead to visible improvements, making it a fantastic option for anyone worried about loose skin during or after weight loss. Spa treatment versus at-home devices. What's the difference? Now, if you're thinking about trying red light therapy, you have two main options: professional spa treatments or at-home devices. While both use the same basic technology, there are some big differences in terms of power, effectiveness, and cost. Professional treatments are done in medical clinic, wellness centers, and high-end spas. These treatments use stronger medical-grade red light therapy machines that can penetrate deeper into the skin and stimulate more collagen productions. Many of these machines are FDA approved for fat loss and skin tightening, and some are even combined with radiofrequency or ultrasound treatments to make them more effective. Because these machines are much stronger than at-home devices, people often see results faster with professional treatments. However, the downside is the spa treatments can be expensive, with each session costing anywhere from $100 to $300, and multiple sessions are usually required to see a noticeable change. Most people need 6 to 12 treatments, meaning the total can add up to the thousands or more. Another thing to consider is that spa treatments require consistent appointments, so if you have a busy schedule, fitting them in may not be convenient. At-home red light devices, on the other hand, have become a popular alternative because they are more affordable and convenient. These devices come in various forms, including LED masks, handheld wands, wraparound belts, and full body light panels. While these at-home versions are typically weaker than professional machines, they still work by delivering low-level red and near-infrared light to the skin. The biggest advantage of at-home devices is that they allow for constant long-term use without having to book expensive treatments. Since consistency is the key with red light therapy, having a device at home makes it easier to stick to with a regular routine. This being said, at-home devices have some drawbacks. Because they are less powerful than medical-grade machines, they take longer to show results. The treatment might require only 6 sessions at a spa, could take 10 to 12 weeks with an at-home device. Another challenge is quality control. There are a lot of red light therapy devices on the market, and not all of them are effective. Some are too weak to penetrate deep enough into the skin, while others might not emit the right wavelength of light. If you're going to invest in an at-home device, look for one that is between 600 to 850 in wavelength red light, as this has been proven to be the most effective range for fat loss and skin tightening. The choice between spa treatments and at-home devices really comes down to budget, patience, and personal preference. If you want faster results and have money to spend, professional treatments might be the way to go. But if you prefer a more affordable, long-term solution, an at-home device can still provide great benefit. It just requires more time and consistency. How to use red light therapy for the best results. For those who want to get the most out of red light therapy, the key is consistency and proper technique. This isn't a one-time thing. Just like exercise or skincare, you need to use it regularly to see results. Whether you're using it for fat loss, skin tightening, or both, how and when you use it matters. For fat loss, the best approach is to use red light therapy in combination with a healthy diet, GLP-1 medications, and exercise. So, this concludes this video. If you found this useful or helpful, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Thank you,